Hello and welcome back to the Gigabyte Motherboard and Bricks YouTube channel. My name is Sam and today we're taking a look at 3D OSD. 3D OSD is an app in our App Center that gives gamers key information like CPU speed, CPU temperature, system fan speed, and for those who are overclocking, base clock multiplier. Let's take a look now at how this app helps gamers. So you'll find 3D OSD in our App Center. Once you bring up the app, you can see some of the features that you can display within the OSD. So we have FPS, CPU information, CPU usage, as well as different temperatures for the system, the PCH, the CPU, so on and so forth. Within the display setting area, you can change things like the text size, text color, and where you want the OSD to be displayed on the screen. As you can see, you can definitely change the color to whatever works for you. And also you can move the OSD to any part of the screen. Now, let's look at what's called the CD feature. CD stands for cooldown. Now, this is something that gamers really like. So if you are playing any kind of game where you have to go and attack and then regroup with your teammates, this feature will allow you to set a timer on the screen, which is triggered by a hotkey. So that means you can set, say, the hotkey to be maybe F8 or F9 or something, and it will display a timer. And as well, you can show the information, so like some kind of caption to remind you, at this time, do something like go back to base or reload with weapons or so on and so forth. With the Apply To feature, you can select the programs you do not want to apply 3D OSD to. However, if you don't see the exe file you want to use 3D OSD with, hit the plus button at the very bottom of the screen. Then you can find the exe file, hit open, and that will apply 3D OSD to that exe file. Alright, finally we have the profile settings page. On this you can either import your preferred configuration or export it. So for example, if you're going to a friend's house or using some kind of iCafe PC, if they have a Gigabyte board with this app on it, you can import your settings, or also you can export them for use elsewhere. Okay, let's take a look at a benchmark right now, and we'll run the 3D OSD in it. So this is the Heaven benchmark. It's powered by the Unreal Engine. So very demanding. I mean, those textures are really demanding on the GPU. And you can see on the top left-hand corner, it shows your FPS, what we have right now for a CPU, the usage, the fan, everything that you would need to make sure you have some key information on your screen while you're gaming. And you can see that we have the cooldown feature timer activated, and it's giving us a reminder to go back to the lobby, which is what we set the caption to. So that was your first look at 3D OSD. If you have any questions, you can comment below on our YouTube page, and if you want to see more, be sure to give us a like on Facebook. Thanks for watching.